If you're trying to get a website up and running on a budget, then cheap web page hosting is your best option. You see, in order to get your website from your computer onto the internet, you need to host the site on a web server. That's where cheap web page hosting comes in. With cheap web page hosting, your web host will host or store your website on their web servers and make sure it stays up and running and functioning properly. And just because it's inexpensive doesn't mean cheap web page hosting is low quality. If you find the right cheap web page hosting provider like I did, then you can get everything you would get with one of the more expensive hosts at half the price. I use brainhost.com. They're one of the best cheap web page hosting companies I've found, and they definitely don't skimp on the features. If you're looking for the best cheap web page hosting, just click the Brainhost link below this video. I signed up here and I got an amazing deal on cheap web hosting. I want to share it with you. Get it before it's gone.